Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick and welcome to March. I am so glad it's March. I am not a winter person, so getting into March feels like we're almost through, right? There's a light at the end of the tunnel. So welcome to March. For the March series of the daily videos, the theme is crochet life hacks. Now, I'm not talking about hacks for crocheters. I'm talking about real life hacks, things that you can crochet to make your life easier every day. So the first one is, and I'm going to be referring to my computer a lot, the first one is called Joe the Frog Book / tablet holder. So this is this like little frog, I guess is what he's supposed to be. It's stuffed. It's not a plushie though. It's something that you can set your book on so that while you're at the table or you have your book on your lap, it holds it in place for you. So you can tell from the picture, I'm sure, what I'm talking about. So this pattern is by Annetta Isabella, and I think it's adorable. I think it's really, really cute. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see a little bit better because I don't want to give you the wrong information. I apologize for the glare. Okay, so this was published in Crochet Arcade's Ravelry store, and that is where I have found this pattern. I found it on Ravelry. It is available for download for $6.45 US dollars, and I'm just going to take some screen pictures here so that you can see what I'm looking at. This little guy is so cute. I love how he's just sitting there reading his book and drinking his cocoa. He's so cute. But this is just really a great idea. I love this idea a lot. I have seen this actually with different patterns. I've seen even a Darth Vader one, which I thought was hysterical, but I've seen little owls and other little animals as well. So let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would ever consider making. Is this something that you would think would be a great gift idea, or if there's a child in your life that you think would benefit from them, or an adult, there's nothing wrong with an adult using this sort of thing. As with all of my ideas in my daily videos, there is a link in the description box below, and you can just click on that. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. All you have to do is click on the picture you love, and it's going to give you a direct link right to the pattern. So simple as can be. There's no ads. I don't have any ads or anything like that. If you'd like to see my other Pinterest boards, there's also a link to go to my website where, again, no ads. It's completely ad-free. But you can certainly click on any of my Pinterest boards for any of the patterns that I put out in these daily videos. So I hope you're enjoying this. I hope that you find this series fun and helpful. I know I've had a blast putting it together, and I'm eager to share it with you. So until tomorrow's idea, have a great day and keep on hooking. Bye-bye.